6 warning signs you are not sleeping well. To say that sleeping is extremely important for the rest and restoration of our mind and brain is an understatement. While doctors advise most adults to sleep 7 to 8 hours a day, it is equally important to pay attention to that quality of sleep, which should be devoid of any distractions, noise, etc. However, sometimes even though we lie down the whole night, our quality of sleep might be poor, and you should look out for these 6 warning signs that signal the same. Daytime tiredness. One of the most obvious signs of poor sleep is feeling tired or sleepy during the day, even after what should have been a full night's rest. If you find yourself yawning often, struggling to stay awake, or needing extra caffeine to get through the day, your sleep may have been extremely disturbed. Trouble staying asleep. If it regularly takes you more than 30 minutes to fall asleep, or if you wake up several times during the night and have trouble getting back to sleep, these are clear signs of poor sleep quality. You may also wake up too early after 4 to 5 hours and not be able to fall back asleep. Mood swings. Poor sleep can make you feel more irritable, anxious, or even sad. You might notice you have less patience, get upset more easily, or feel like you're on an emotional roller coaster. Sleep helps regulate your mood, so a lack of it can make emotions harder to control. You might even feel anxious, racing heart, sweating, etc., or even depressed. Lack of focus. Struggling to focus at work or school? Forgetting things more often than usual? Sleep is important for your brain to process information and store memories. Without enough rest, you may find it hard to concentrate, make decisions, or remember important details. If this has been happening way too often, you should pay attention to your sleep. Physical changes. Not getting enough sleep can clearly show up on your face. You might notice dark circles, puffiness, or bags under your eyes. Your skin may look dull or break out more often. These visible signs are your body's way of telling you it needs more rest. This apart, poor sleep can affect the hormones that control hunger, making you feel hungrier than usual, especially for junk food. This can lead to eating more and gaining weight over time. Nighttime bathroom trips. Waking up often to use the bathroom, known as nocturia, can interrupt your sleep and leave you feeling tired the next day. This can be caused by sleep disorders, certain medications, or drinking caffeine late in the day. Lack of sleep weakens your immune system, making you more likely to catch colds or other illnesses,